Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. Today, we're diving into the best sublimation printers for apparel. If you want to print graphics onto shirts, hats, and other apparel, then a dedicated sublimation printer is the way to go. In this video, we'll look at the 5 best sublimation printers for apparel available on the market. We have also included the link to each printer in the description box for your convenience so you can easily purchase the one that best fits your needs. The best part? These provided links are updated regularly so you can get the best possible deal available. So without wasting your precious time, let's dive right in. Number 1 is Epson Artisan 1430 Wireless Color Printer. If you're looking for a high-quality sublimation printer that can handle your apparel needs, look no further than the Epson Artisan 1430 Wireless Color Printer. With its ability to produce stunning, borderless, ultra-high-definition photos up to 13 by 19 inches, this printer is perfect for printing large-scale designs for t-shirts, hats, and other clothing items. The Artisan 1430 features a 6-color Claria ink system that produces vibrant and true-to-life colors, ensuring that your designs will pop off the garment. This ink system also makes your prints smudge, scratch, water, and fade resistant, so your designs will look great even after multiple washes. Another great feature of the Artisan 1430 is its wireless printing capabilities. You can easily print from your smartphone, tablet, or other mobile devices without a computer or cables, making printing easy. The printer also offers CD/DVD printing capabilities, allowing you to create professional-looking product labels. Whether you're a professional apparel designer or just starting out, the Epson Artisan 1430 Wireless Color Printer is a great investment. Its advanced color, lighting correction technology, and long-lasting prints make it the go-to choice for professional photographers and designers. So if you are interested in this superior apparel printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. Number 2 is HP SmartTank 6001 Wireless Ink Printer. The HP SmartTank 6001 Wireless Ink Printer is the ultimate solution for those seeking a high-quality sublimation printer for their apparel. This exceptional printer is a cut above the rest, with its impressive features and outstanding performance. With the ability to print, copy, and scan, this printer boasts automatic 2-sided printing, borderless prints, and mobile and wireless printing capabilities. With speeds of up to 12 pages per minute for black and 7 pages per minute for color, this printer is a powerhouse that delivers on every level. One of the best things about the HP 6001 is its cost-effectiveness. With up to 2 years of original HP ink bottles included, you can print up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages right out of the box. This makes it the perfect choice for both professional and family printing needs. Moreover, the HP SmartTank 6001 delivers exceptional color graphics, photos, and crisp text, ensuring that your prints always look their best. With the HP Smart app, you can even print, scan, and copy from your phone, allowing you to work from anywhere. Regarding connectivity, this printer offers high-speed USB 2.0, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth LE options, and mobile printing capabilities with HP Smart app, Apple AirPrint, and MAPRIA certification. Its paper handling capacity is impressive, with a 150-sheet input tray and a 25-sheet output tray. If you like this printer, check out the link in the description box below to purchase it. Number 3 is Epson EcoTank Photo ET8500. This wireless wide-format color all-in-one super tank printer is a game-changer in the world of sublimation printing for apparel. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET8500 is the perfect choice for printing lab-quality photos, graphics, and creative projects without the hassle of traditional ink cartridges. The high-accuracy printhead and Claria ET Premium 6-color inks ensure vibrant colors and sharp text with every print, while the extraordinary media handling capabilities allow you to print borderless pictures up to 8.5 inches by 11 inches on a variety of paper types, including cardstock, CD/DVDs, and other specialty media up to 1.3 millimeters thick. The best part? You can save a ridiculous amount on photos and creative projects with affordable in-house photo printing. With the ability to print 4-inch by 6-inch photos for about 4 cents each versus 40 cents with traditional ink cartridges, the Epson EcoTank Photo ET8500 offers amazing value. In addition to the incredible savings, you can also save up to 80% with low-cost replacement ink bottles versus ink cartridges. The intuitive touch display and wireless connectivity make it easy to operate your printer directly from your mobile device using the Epson Smart Panel app. And with voice-activated printing and an exclusive eco-fit ink bottle design, the Epson EcoTank ET8500 is a must-have for anyone looking for a professional, reliable, and efficient sublimation printer for apparel. If you want to buy this printer right now, then check out the link given in the description box below. Number 4 is Canon PIXMA G6020 All-in-One SuperTank Wireless Printer. Are you looking for a top-of-the-line sublimation printer for your apparel designs? The Canon PIXMA G6020 All-in-One SuperTank Wireless Printer is the answer to all your printing needs. This printer stands out from the rest thanks to its incredible value and ink-saving technology. The PIXMA G6020 is equipped with a high page yield and comes with a set of ink bottles that can print up to 6,000 black text pages or 7,700 color pages. You can say goodbye to constantly replacing ink cartridges and hello to uninterrupted printing. This printer is perfect for creating personalized designs for your apparel business or your own wardrobe. But that's not all. The PIXMA G6020 is also a copier and scanner, making it an all-in-one printing solution. You can easily print from your smartphone, tablet, or computer with wireless connectivity options. Plus, the printer's pigment-based black ink produces long-lasting and sharp text, while the dye-based ink creates vibrant and colorful images. So if you are interested in this printer, check out the links provided in the description box below. Number 5 is HP SmartTank 7301. The final sublimation printer on our list, the HP SmartTank 7301, is the perfect choice for those who demand the best when it comes to sublimation printing on apparel. With a sleek design and impressive features, this printer is built to meet the demands of busy families and small businesses alike. One of the standout features of the HP SmartTank 7301 is its ability to print, copy, and scan with ease. The automatic two-sided printing and 35-page automatic document feeder make it easy to handle large printing jobs, while the mobile and wireless printing capabilities allow you to print from virtually anywhere. This printer comes fully loaded with savings, including up to 2 years of original HP ink bottles included in the box. With the ability to print up to 8,000 color pages or 6,000 black pages right out of the box, you can start printing high-quality apparel designs without worrying about running out of ink. In terms of quality, the HP SmartTank 7301 consistently delivers outstanding color graphics, photos, and crisp text for all your prints. If you want to purchase this printer now, then check out the link given in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best sublimation printer for apparel. If you like any of these best printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.